Non-woven fabric bag is a green product, durable, beautiful in shape, good air permeability, can be reused, washable, can be printed advertising, shipping marks, long service life. The products are made of non-woven fabric, which is a new generation of environmental protection materials. Non-combustion supporting, easy decomposition, non-toxic and non-irritating, rich color, low price and recyclable. The material can be decomposed naturally for 90 days outdoors, and it can be used for 5 years. It is non-toxic, tasteless, and has no remaining substances during combustion, thus not polluting the environment. We have professional printing equipment, Heidelberg 6-color printing machine and screen printing machine. The sewing workshop has several professional sewing equipment and more than 100 professional workers. The price is as low as $0.2/PCS. If you have any questions, please contact us, christineliu@bestpricebag.com.